All right, so here we're supposed to find the area of the figure by using a determinant. Assume the units are feet. All right, so to do this, what we do is we have to find out the points. So let's write the points out kind of like in an order here. So where's my writing utensil? Here it is. So let's just kind of start with the bottom left one, and then we'll start here and work up to here, then work up to here. Okay. So the first one looks like to be a 4 comma 2. And then our next one over is going to be, looks like a 7 5. And our last one looks to be a 6 7. Now what we have to do is we have to make the matrix out of this. So A is going to be what? Well, we're going to go across with our first numbers, the 4, the 7, the 6. Then the next numbers, we go to the next row, 2, 5, 7. And then we just arbitrarily fill in 1 on the bottom one. And this is how we're going to find out what the area of this triangle is. So to get it, what we're going to do is we're going to find the area is going to be 1/2 the determinant of A, basically. So that's how we're going to find it. So how do we find the determinant of A? Well, it doesn't tell us we can use calculator here, so we're going to do it the long way. And so what we have to do is we're going to go down the first row. So doing that, we're going to have 1/2, and then I'm just going to say 4 times the determinant of, now that's going to be a 5 7 1 1. And it's going to be minus 2 times the determinant of, now that's going to be a 7 6, and then it's going to be a 1 1. And then it's going to be a plus 1 times the determinant of, now it's going to be a 7 6 5 7. And then we'll have it in parentheses. All right, so now let's simplify here. And so we still have that 1/2 out in front. Then we have 4 times. Now we have 5 minus 7 is going to be a minus 2. Okay. I'm just going to write the numbers here because what we're doing is we're taking the cross here and then subtract this. Then we have minus 2 times. Now we have 7 minus 6, which is 1, plus 1 times. And then here we have 49 minus 30. So that's going to give us what, 19? And then we have in parentheses. Okay. Now we have 19 here, minus 2 here, and it looks like a minus 8 here. So minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, and plus 19. So that's going to give us 1/2 of 9 as our answer. Well, half of 9 is 4.5 units or feet, so this is feet squared. So the area of this triangle should be 4.5 square feet. All right, let's pause with that one and come back for some more.